spiritual eyes, so that when the enemy comes up against him, he's going to raise up a standard.
Yes, he
will. Because the Bible says that you don't fight against flesh and blood.
Yes.
You're fighting with your sister, and your fight is not with her, not in the natural soul, because see, they look at it naturally so. But it's not natural, it's spiritual.
My God.
But see, once you come into the knowledge of that, then you'll be better off, because then you won't fight with them.
Jesus.
And then that's when you need you come to church and you find out about binding and loosing. You'll bind up some things.
Yes, yes.
You can lose some things.
Yes.
But first you got your ground got to be good.
Jesus.
Got to be good ground.
Good ground.
Yes, sir.
Good ground.
And it says, but he that receives seed into good ground is he that hears the word and understanding, which also bear fruit and bringeth forth some 100-fold, some